do theatre arts have to offer teachers and students right now? That's a great question. So I think most importantly, always, theatre arts have to offer fun, joy, entertainment, liveliness, silliness, energy. No pine cone, don't eat me! Ah! Yes, I'll have 2 loaves of bread would be great. In a time when people are being really held apart and isolated, I think theatre has to offer connection and group bonding and community building in a way that's so needed. Jessica, that's a really good point. I think our character should have long hair too. Wow, your video in the kitchen fits together so well with my video from outside. I think theatre right now also has to offer imagination and engagement in ways that working online are making really hard at the moment. Alright everybody, so we have the math problem. You've all worked it out. You're all gonna tell me the answer at exactly the same time as ladybugs. Okay, ready and go. More importantly than anything, I'm really feeling, as this pandemic goes on, tired, run down, annoyed, frustrated, bored with the ways that we have of connecting with each other. I think theatre is a practice of renewal and energy adding, and we do that through play and fun and silliness and imagination. Thanks. Okay everyone, let's eat Zoom.